If you love Tim Hortons chili, watch this. Today we're making a Tim Hortons chili copycat recipe. Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and we're all about tasty food made easy. Start by browning a pound of ground beef in a large saucepan. Use a meat chopper to break up the meat while you're browning it. When the meat is browned, it takes about 5 minutes. Transfer it to a bowl and set aside. Place the saucepan back on the burner and pour in 1 tablespoon of oil. Then pour in 1 large diced onion, that's about a cup. Sauté for about 5 minutes while stirring until the onions are soft. Then pour in 2 diced ribs of celery, that's also about a cup, and half of a diced large bell pepper, that's about 3/4 cup. Then add 2 minced garlic cloves, and stir often while sautéing for a few minutes until the vegetables are soft. Then add back in the ground beef and give it a good stir. What time of the year do you like to eat chili? Let us know in the comments. And I add in half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon oregano, and 1 tablespoon chili powder. Then stir all the ingredients to mix up the spices. And hey, share this recipe. Then add in 19 ounces of canned, rinsed and drained kidney beans and 10 ounces of canned, drained mushrooms. And stir all ingredients again. Then pour in 15 ounces of creamy tomato soup. Make sure to use creamy tomato soup, not regular or home style. Then pour in 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of hot chili sauce. Stir all the ingredients so they're really well blended. Then reduce the heat and slowly bring the chili up to a boil. But don't let the bottom of the pot burn, so make sure you stir every few minutes and let it boil for half an hour. And then add in the final ingredient, a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Blend in the sour cream and take off the heat. Then transfer the chili to serving bowls and enjoy. And there you have it, a hearty, creamy Tim Hortons chili copycat recipe. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.